This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It has a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, a power moonroof, cooled seats, a DVD player, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a leather interior, running boards, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 41,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.